हांगा जस्ट गार्बेजीन सनसडो जाल्या म्हणल्या आता आणि इतली घाण हांगा पातळिल्ल्या फूल घाण. कोकण रेल्वेचे जे हॉटेलाची स्टेशनारी जी गार्बेज आहे ती कशी मेंटेन करता नक्की हे करता कोण कलेक्ट करता ते?
We have outsourced the cleaning to an agency. It is a private agency which has been engaged by CareSale. And the work of this agency is to collect all the garbage at the station, accumulated at the station, and they take it to a place behind this Konkan Railway Police Station, where we have a shed where they segregate the wet waste and dry waste. Then we have a tie-up with the municipal corporation, this Margao Municipal Council, and they collect this garbage regularly, for which requisite payment is made by Konkan Railway.
सो हांवें आतां पयला ती गार्बेज सायडीन अशी उडयल्ली चडशी आसा, सो त्याचेर कितें एक्शन बी जातली?
Some public are also throwing the garbage, but we are trying our level best to keep the area clean. Even these shops, these hotels and all, they are sometimes penalized also for not segregating or keeping the garbage properly.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.